Test paper 1, chapter 1, locating places on the earth. Total questions 14, class 6th. Section A, MCQ. Choose the correct option for each question. What does a MAPS scale represent? The temperature of a region, the height of a landform, the relationship between map distance and actual ground distance, the area of a country. Number 2. The prime meridian passes through which of the following places? Tokyo, New Delhi, Greenwich, Ujjain. Number 3. Which of the following is a cardinal direction? Northeast, southwest, north, southeast. Number 4. Which line divides the earth into northern and southern hemispheres? Prime meridian, Tropic of Cancer, international dateline, equator. Number 5. Which kind of map would you use to show rivers and mountains? Political map, thematic map, physical map, road map. Section B. Very short answer questions. Answer in one sentence. What is an atlas? Name the 4 cardinal directions. What do we call the lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole? Name the latitude of the equator. What is the shape of the earth? Section C. Short answer questions. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. What are the 3 main components of a map? Explain briefly. What are symbols on a map? Why are they important? How does the longitude of a map help in calculating time? Section D. Long answer questions. Answer in 5 to 6 sentences. Explain the difference between local time and standard time with an example. Why do countries adopt standard time instead of local time? Now pause the video and try to answer all the questions and then match your answer with our questions given below. Answers of the questions asked in the test paper 1. Section A, MCQ. Number 1. The relationship between map distance and actual ground distance. Number 2. Greenwich. Number 3. North. Number 4. Equator. Number 5. Physical map. Section B. Very short answer questions. What is an atlas? A book or collection of maps is called an atlas. Name the 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east and west. What do we call the lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole? Meridians of longitude. Write the latitude of the equator. 0 degree latitude. What is the shape of the earth? The earth is almost spherical in shape. Section C, short answer questions. What are the three main components of a map? Explain briefly. The three main components of a map are distance, direction, and symbol. Distance helps measure real world space. Direction shows orientation. Symbols represent features. Number 2. What are symbols on a map? Why are they important? Symbols are signs or drawings used to represent different features on a map, like rivers, roads, schools, etc. They are important because they help in representing many details in a small space. Number 3. How does the longitude of a place help in calculating time? The earth rotates 15 degrees every hour. So, every 15 degree of longitude equals a 1 hour time difference. By knowing a place longitude, we can calculate its local time from the prime meridian, that is 0 degree longitude. Section D, long answer questions. Explain the difference between the local time and the standard time with an example. Why do countries adopt standard time instead of local time? Local time is the time calculated for a particular place based on the position of the sun. Standard time is the uniform time set for the whole country based on a selected meridian. For example, the local time in Assam is ahead of Gujarat, but both follow Indian Standard Time, that is IST. Countries adopt standard time to avoid confusion in schedules across different regions. It helps in maintaining uniformity in offices, transport, and communication. Thank you very much.